Hello everybody and welcome back to Mrs. Gollat's class. I just want to let you know that today is going to be kind of a review, but we need to do this for our English class. You are in Modern American Literature and our first book is The Great Gatsby. You should be almost done with the book by now and we are going to write our paper. The hardest thing that I've heard from a lot of you is picking a thesis. It's really easy. I find picking thesis is really easy anyway, and this is how I do it. First, I want you to grab your essay questions for me. It is going to be the paper that looks like this. Up here at the top, it says The Great Gatsby, 5-paragraph essay, okay? We are going to look down here at the bottom at our questions. Go ahead and pause it if you need to and grab your paper. Okay. Now that we are back, I want you to look at the suggested writing topics down on the bottom there. We have 4 of them. Is he great or is Gatsby great? Our second one is Nick a reliable narrator? Our third one, who is most responsible for Gatsby's death? And we should definitely be at that part already. So if you haven't read that already, I'm sorry, you're behind. And our fourth one is, how does Gatsby represent the American dream? Now, when picking a thesis, you want to look at your question. What is your question? Let's go with number 1. Is Gatsby great? Okay, what is your answer to that question? Oh my gosh, that's your thesis. What is the answer to the question? I think Gatsby is not great because he is a bootlegger, he cheats with a married woman, and he tells lies. Oh my gosh, amazing. That right there is your essay. But let's bring it back to the beginning, okay? The answer to your question is no, Gatsby is not great. That right there is your thesis. So you will write me an introduction paragraph, and at the end will be your thesis. No, Gatsby is not great. We will then get to the reasons why in the next video for your body paragraph. We are going to do another question example for you right now. Is Nick a reliable narrator? This is number 2 on your paper. It is up to you to tell me, yes, Nick is a reliable narrator, or no, Nick is not a reliable narrator. You can come up with different reasons for this. Nick may be a reliable narrator to you because he seems like an honest person. That would go then in your body paragraph. Or, no, Nick is falling for Gatsby's lies. He is not a reliable narrator. That again would be a reason. He's falling for the lies. That would go in your body paragraph. So as we finish this up, I've kind of given you some ideas and some hints. If you use any of my ideas, that's completely fine. I want this first essay that you write to be a good one, so we can go ahead and talk about this and you can use those ideas. Please do if you're stuck on anything. I don't want this to be hard for you. Again, like I said, what is the answer to your question? What's the answer? Are you going to write a good essay? My thesis right now would be yes, you are. Thank you very much. Join me next time when we are going to go over how to create the 3 organizers for a body paragraph. Thank you. I'll see you next time.